Welcome back students. So before we understand the convex polyhedrons, we should know what is the convex polygon and what is non-convex polygon. So this is triangle. If you consider equilateral triangle, its all faces are same. Okay, all sides are same. So this is equilateral triangle. It is a polygon. If you consider a square, it is a polygon. Parallelogram, it is a polygon, or you can say quadrilateral, that is also polygon. Right angle triangle, it is also polygon, and pentagon, it is also polygon. Why? Because what is convex polygon? All interior angles are less than 180 degree. If you consider a pentagon, it has only 72 degree each one. So it is less than 180 degree. But suppose at least one angle is more than 180 degree, such kind of polygons are known as non-convex polygon. So on the basis of this, we will understand now regular polyhedrons. So we will now move on to the next topic. This is not given in your textbook. Directly it is given convex polyhedrons. Why I am telling you that? Suppose you are making a cube and we know that cube is made up of 6 faces and each face is a square. So we should know that. We must know that square is a convex polygon. So from this, if you are making a cube, so obviously cube is a regular polygon. Suppose you have a triangle. We know that triangular pyramid. We know that triangle is a convex polygon. So if you made a triangular pyramid or triangular prism, they are also a convex polyhedrons. Got the point? Okay. Suppose you have this parallelogram. If you have a pyramid whose base is quadrilateral. Okay. So that quadrilateral is a polygon, and whatever pyramid made from that base is that. So that is also regular polyhedron. So that's why we should know about this concept. Okay, so now next we will see regular polyhedrons. So before I start regular polyhedrons, just I am reading the concept of convex polyhedrons. So you have to recall the concept of convex polygons that I have discussed, and the idea of convex polyhedron is similar. So you have given a cubes and hexagon, so they both are convex polyhedrons. And next we have given the 3D shapes of I alphabets and the 3D shape of star. And if you observe that these are not convex polyhedrons, okay, because when you draw the I, whatever given in your textbooks, 3D I, it is something like this. So here the angle is more than 180 degree. This angle is more than 180 degree. Next we have given a star. So this is a star. Sorry. Okay, it's a 3D shapes. So here this angle is greater than 180 degrees. So these two, whatever shapes are given, they are not convex polyhedrons. Okay. Now we move on to the next topic, that is regular polyhedrons. Let's see what is the definition is this. I have divided the whole definition into two conditions. So definition is, a polyhedron is said to be regular if its faces are made up of regular polygons and the same number of faces meet at each vertex. Okay. So here any required polyhedrons is regular or not, that you have to judge on the basis of these two conditions which are already given in your definition. First condition, its faces are made up of regular polygons. And second condition, same number of faces meet at each vertex. If these two conditions are fulfilled, then only whatever polygons you have that can be referred as regular polyhedrons. So let's see examples for this. First of all, you have a square. So if you observe the square, all sides are equal and all angles are equal, that is square. And whenever you make a square, this is your square, all the faces are same, all the faces are regular, that is because it is made up of square, and we have seen that square is a regular diagram of 2 dimension. So this is made up of square, that's why we can say that this is your regular polygons. But before that, we can just fulfill these 2 conditions. We have to check this. First condition, its faces are made up of regular polygon, and we know that square is a regular polygon. Second condition, same number of faces meet at each vertex. So this is your vertex. So one vertex, how many faces meet? First, second, third. Three faces are made over here. Come to the second vertex. First, second and top. 3 faces meet. Come to the third vertex. First, second and third. 3 faces are made. So when you consider a cube, it's each and every vertex only 3 faces meet. So what we can say? Our second condition is also fulfilled. So what we can say? Cube is a regular polyhedrons. Okay. Move on to the rectangle and check whether the rectangle is a we will discuss about the rectangle, then triangular pyramid, then we will see octahedron also we will see, even hexagon also we will see. Okay. Let's see. Suppose you are considering the rectangle. Rectangle is not a regular polyhedron because rectangle itself is not a regular polygon, because if you consider a cuboid, this is made from the rectangle, but if you consider its each and every shape, faces shape, what you can say? They all are not regular. The area of this face is less than the area of this face. So these 2 faces are not same. Though it is a rectangle, but these 2 faces are not regular rectangle. Regular surface is not present in the cuboid. So what we can say? Cuboid is not a regular polyhedron. So here the first condition itself is not satisfied. So we will not see for the second criteria. Now we will see the triangular prism. So we check the first condition. Its faces are made up of regular polygon. So we have seen that triangle is a regular polygon and this is a triangular pyramid. Its each and every faces is a triangle. Okay, so first condition is fulfilled. Now move on to the second condition. This is your vertex. How many faces are meet at this vertex? 1, 2, 3. On this vertex, how many faces meet? 1, 2 and 3. 3 faces. Here also 1, 2, 3 faces. So it's each and every vertex 3 faces meet. So what we can say? Second condition is fulfilled for the triangular pyramid. Move on to the next. We will see prism. So what we can say about the prism? This is the diagram of prism. In prism, top and bottom. This one is your triangular shape. And the side face 1, 2 and the bottom. It's third face, it's a rectangular face. So what we can say about the prism? Think and answer. So prism is not a regular polyhedron. That we will see. Next we will see about the whatever topic is given to you, prism and pyramid. We will see later on. See in your textbook you have given polyhedron. We will discuss about the polyhedron which is given in your textbook. We draw this diagram and we'll explain whether it's a regular polyhedron or not.